Hello everyone, I am Varsha. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is BTS video of how I create a calligraphy code. So first I write my code using a pencil and then I trace it with my brush pen. It is very important to write with pencil first to see the spacing and everything is perfect. And after that you can add some colors. So here I am creating watercolor rose. For that I am using Carin brush marker and water. So first I am using Carin brush pen and adding water to create those light color petals. I will also create the same rose with Dom's brush pen as you can see, and I am getting those light shades with Dom's brush pen by dipping it in water. Now it's time to erase the pencil marks and cut this paper. We can also make the corners round, add some gold touch, but I'm leaving it like this. Now it's ready. Do let me know if you like this process, and if you want to see more such videos, comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.